as you can see, maize farming si kitu ya mchezo. Unajua this farm is 1.3 hectares and the farmer is now expecting something more than 30 bags in this farm. It is 1.3. He's expecting more than 30 bags, I mean. Just use what the extension officers are telling you. You will find that you are getting a lot of food, a lot of income, and at the end you will be appreciating what the extension officers have been doing. So I urge you that during the time of rainy season, don't use and weeding. Use chemical herbicide to kill those weeds, and the farm will remain so that clean. Bye bye.